severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Juliana County in central Pennsylvania, southern Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, northern Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania until 7:45 p.m. At 6:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Honey Grove, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees, roofs, and siding. Locations impacted include Carlisle, Mechanicsburg, Camp Hill, Lemoyne, Plainfield, Slusser, Boiling Springs, Mount Holly Springs, Shiremanstown, Honey Grove, New Kingstown, East Waterford, Hoagstown, Loysville, Colonel Denning State Park, Blacklog, Blossomville, Wurtsville, Paralake, and Carlisle Springs. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 214 to 235. Interstate 81 from mile markers 41 to 60. This includes the following COVID-19 test sites: Geisinger Holy Spirit, Geisinger Holy Spirit Jennifer Court, and UPMC Carlisle Outpatient Surgery Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This thunderstorm is capable of producing all types of severe weather, including extremely large hail, destructive straight-line winds, and possibly a weak tornado. Move quickly to a safe shelter such as an interior room, a bathroom, closet, or basement. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties: Cumberland, Juliana, and Perry.